This is Beyond Real News.
Good evening, or whenever. I'm your host, John Beyond. I'll be bringing you unbelievable news you can't believe. This just in. Wearing mismatched socks has been scientifically proven to raise IQ by 10 points. However, according to experts, wearing mismatched shoes increases the risk of walking into walls. Studies have shown that the best way to cure a case of the hiccups is to stare at a pineapple for exactly 17 seconds. However, caution is advised as prolonged pineapple staring may lead to a sudden urge to break into spontaneous hula dancing. A group of penguins has organized the world's largest underwater opera. This has sparked a high demand for waterproof tuxedos among aquatic music fans. A small town becomes the global hub of synchronized sneezing. This has drawn many allergy-prone tourists to witness the spectacle and join sneezing workshops. A squirrel has been elected as the mayor of a small town. This has resulted in many Acorn-Based policies and nut-related infrastructure projects. That's it for now. Please subscribe to get your extremely factual news from Beyond Real News. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.